Hey everyone, I'm Lisa with Girl Camper, and I am here today with a Tab 360 CS, and I'm going to show you how easy it is and fun to cook in a small space kitchen. I'm cooking up a couple of breakfasts for girl campers here in beautiful Sun Outdoors Rocky Mountain in Granby, Colorado for Camporee. So let's dive in. So we're going to be making two breakfasts, and first up is going to be French toast roll-ups. They're fun, they're interactive. The girls are going to be able to stuff them with their favorite fillings, Nutella, maybe some fruit or peanut butter, you name it. Then we grill them up and we sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on them. Totally yummy.
To cook this, we're using the 2-burner propane stove with this griddle plate that fits perfectly across both of the burners. It gives us that flat surface we need to cook evenly and make multiple roll-ups at once, which is perfect for serving a group.
So here's how it works. We've got our station set up. We've got some flattened white bread with the crust cut off. And then now everybody can add their own fillings to it. We roll them up. We take them back to the burner station. We dip them into the French toast batter, and I grill them up right there on the griddle.
One of the best things about camping in the Tab 360 CS is that the kitchen setup is perfect for group cooking. There's just enough space to work, but everything you need is within an arm's reach.
Now let's talk about small space organization. You know, when you don't have a lot of room, you got to make every inch count. So I make sure, in the drawers, I keep everything really organized, all my utensils. I take advantage of the shelf space to keep all my spices and ingredients, things like that, well organized. I've got a beautifully large fridge inside, and if I need a little extra room, I've got the little Camco refrigerator cooler right here.
When your French toast roll-ups are all done, you're going to take them off the griddle and roll them in a little mixture of cinnamon sugar. And after a morning of cooking and creating, there's nothing better than sitting down to a hearty, homemade breakfast with friends.
And cleanup is a breeze in this small kitchen. With the sink right here, I can wipe down stuff, get it all cleaned up in no time, and be ready for the next meal. It's another beautiful day here at Sun Outdoors Rocky Mountain, and I am getting ready to cook breakfast for about 20 women here in the nuCamp Tab 360 CS. Today we are cooking a breakfast hash. It's pretty easy. I'm prepping before everybody gets here, so follow along. I'll show you how to do this. I'm using hash brown potatoes, onions, peppers, spam, spam, and a little cheese to make a hearty breakfast hash. It is all about simplicity and flavor when you're cooking in your RV kitchen. First step is follow the package directions to rehydrate your hash browns. While your potatoes are rehydrating, go ahead and cut up that spam into little bite-sized pieces. I'm using a couple different flavors, regular and maple. And then next, I'm going to put them in a large skillet and griddle them over medium heat and cook that spam until it's brown and crispy. It's going to take about 6 to 8 minutes. Then I'm going to take it off and set it aside. Now it's time to crisp up those hash browns. Add a little butter to the same skillet that the spam was in and spread the rehydrated hash browns in an even layer. Let them cook undisturbed for 5 to 7 minutes to form a crispy bottom layer, and then flip it and stir occasionally until they're golden and cooked through. Next up, scrambling the eggs. Because I'm cooking for a huge group and using the 2-burner stove on the Tab 360 CS, I need to set aside the cooked hash browns so I can use the same pan. I'm scrambling 18 eggs until they are set, and then I'm seasoning them with salt and pepper. Once the eggs are done, I'm adding 4 cups of shredded cheese and stirring it in until it's nice and melted. Now that everything is done, I can add them all back together into the same pan to warm them back up and mix together. You can also mix the spam and hash browns together and then plate them with the scrambled eggs and cheese on top. And if you don't want to use spam, you can use sausage or whatever other meat you prefer.
This recipe is not only easy, but it's super flexible. And for added flavor, you can serve this dish with hot sauce, salsa, or maybe a dollop of sour cream on the side. Warm tortillas, which are easy to do on the 2-burner stove, also pair really well with this dish, and they stretch the servings out if needed. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can cook up just about anything in the Tab 360 CS kitchen. Whether you're cooking up French toast roll-ups or a savory breakfast hash, cooking in this RV kitchen is easy, fun, and super rewarding. Plus, the versatility of the little kitchen in the Tab 360 CS makes it a perfect home base for your adventures, whether you're cooking a meal for just 2 or a huge group like at a girl camper campout.
Thank you for joining me today in my kitchen. You know, whether you are a seasoned RVer or just starting out, this is a lifestyle that's going to let you explore, have some fun, and cook some delicious meals on the road. So you know what? Get out there, cook something great, and let's get going.